Alright, what is good, boys and girls? Welcome to day 296, I believe. Day 296 of backtesting every single day. Uh, yeah, I mean, we've been pushing very crazy recently, and I like the movement, to be honest. I like that we are continuously pushing every single day, even though, it's not easy, even though we have everything to block us, but that doesn't define how we should work. So I'm very, very grateful for that. Very grateful that we're close to day 300. So let's see if we can keep on pushing. Now I'll be opening Nasdaq here and the ES right here, and we're going to be testing data from 2018. That's apparently really far in time, but I hope that it will be worth it. Apply to all. Okay, and I think we'll save it like this. Okay, now we go to daily time frame. You can see at that time Nasdaq was already was like at 6.3k. Now it is at 25k. Right, you can see how crazy time can move. By the way, this should have the same time interval, so both should be liquidity right here. So let's see, 9:15 the next day. Okay, so price is currently displacing higher. It's a Tuesday, 2nd of January. When I check the 4-hour time frame, we are still displacing higher, obviously. Now, I'd like to see it continue higher, probably like run these highs. By the way, I also need some indicators. Okay, so the 1 hour is also pushing higher. I think the Asia highs should be somewhere here. Okay, they were already run, so easily I think here, unless it proves me otherwise, I will be looking for longs. Okay, let's wait for the open and see how choppy price was back then. No, this one way too fast. Okay, so right at the open, we can see that we display slower, runs this slow here, so we get a very beautiful liquidity run. Now, I'd like to go back to the 1 minute time frame. You can see that it's a 755 low that gets run while we are in the 15-minute fair value gap. Now we have I think we have like a 2-minute or a 3, 4, 5 minute gap is the one that's forming here. Now it displays higher very quickly to the extent, well, we don't inverse here, so only if we had like a 30-second, which I don't think here works. You can see that whenever I open the 30-second, it crashes. Well, I will be opening an issue about that, I guess. Okay, let's continue. Broski, why is the stream lagging? Okay. The Wi-Fi isn't really good. I wonder why it's lagging this hard. Anyways, you can see that it displays higher very beautifully. I don't know if the fair value gap will work. Actually here I think they could have been an entry, this retracement into the 5-minute. So if we were to go higher, we might get, okay, we got a good 2-minute close actually right here. Right, 3-minute had nothing, so 2-minute will be better. We will target like good RR here. to get close to a 2 hour. First trade taken on 2nd January. And there we go, bang. It looks like we're getting a retracement. The 5 minutes, a 5-minute retracement, not a. It's also a 15-minute retracement, so it might start displacing higher. How's it 2 minute? There's a gap. Here we might get a good inversion. Very small one at 11:47, but since we're going with the macro, I'd like to see it probably like displace higher. Then maybe it would move break even like at this high. Then we would just try out longs like this. So that will give us like a 2.26 hour kind of trade. And the stream is still lagging for some reason. Dude, what's wrong with the internet though? Don't think anything's wrong.